In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up maintenance page in Wix. To begin, open the Wix editor for the site you want to update. Once you are inside the editor, go to the Pages and Menu section. This is where you manage the structure of your site and create new pages. From here, add a new page, and choose either a blank page or a landing page. A simple page works best for a maintenance screen because it keeps the message clear and free from distractions. After the page is created, open that page's settings by clicking the three dots next to it. In the settings, go to the layout options and select No Header and Footer. This is an important part of the setup because it removes extra navigation and keeps visitors focused only on the maintenance message. It also gives the page a cleaner and more professional look, while your site is temporarily unavailable. Next, stay in the page settings and open the SEO Basics section. Here, turn on the option to hide the page from search results. This helps prevent the maintenance page from appearing in search engines, which is useful because this page is only meant to be temporary. While you are here, also remove it from the site menu so it does not appear as a regular navigation item for visitors. Now you can add your maintenance message directly onto the page. Keep the message simple and easy to understand. Let visitors know that the site is currently under maintenance and may be back soon. You can also include general contact information if needed, but make sure you do not display any sensitive personal details. The goal is to reassure visitors and give them a clear update without overwhelming them. Once the page looks the way you want, go back to the page settings by clicking the three dots again, and set this page as the home page. This makes the maintenance page the first thing every visitor sees when they open your website. After that, return to Pages and Menu and hide your other pages from the site menu. This helps avoid confusion and keeps the visitor experience focused on the temporary maintenance notice. Finally, click Publish to make the changes live. Your Wix site will now display the maintenance page as the home page. That covers everything you need to know.